Welcome back. Today's video is about understanding Arduino programming fundamentals, and we'll focus on arithmetic and Boolean operators. These operators are the building blocks of decision making in your code. Use these operators when you work with sensor values or need to decide what to do with those values. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. These operators can be used to manipulate data received from sensors, control actuators, or just perform calculations. Next, let's have a look at Boolean operators, which are essential for making decisions in your code. These include the AND, OR, and NOT operators. Boolean operators help you evaluate multiple conditions in your if statements, loops, and more, allowing for complex decision making. Now, if you're not sure what an if statement or a loop is, don't worry. We're going to look into that in dedicated videos later on in this course. Let's apply what you've learned. We'll simulate a temperature sensor to control an LED. Our sensor will be a variable that will manually change. In this example, we have an LED connected to digital pin 13. Our goal is to turn it on when our simulated temperature exceeds a certain threshold. In this example, the if statement checks if our simulated temperature exceeds the threshold, and based on that, it turns the LED on or off. We also decrease the temperature of each loop for demonstration purposes. As I already mentioned earlier, later in this series you'll learn more about the if statement and other decision-making statements. And that's it. Learning about arithmetic and Boolean operators lets you do more with your Arduino projects, and we'll be using them constantly in the examples that are coming up later in this series. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you always know when I publish a new video. See you next time.